In this video, you'll learn how to edit a PDF in Google Drive using a simple built-in option that many people overlook. We'll go from uploading your PDF to making changes to saving it again as a PDF, all using just your browser. By the end, you'll be able to quickly tweak text, fix mistakes, or repurpose content from almost any PDF without needing extra software. First, you'll need to get your PDF into Google Drive. Open your browser and go to your Google Drive account. Once you're there, look for the New button, usually near the top left. Click that, then choose File Upload. A file picker window will appear. Navigate to the PDF you want to edit on your computer. Click it once and then select Open. You'll see the upload progress in the bottom corner of Drive, and once it finishes, the PDF will appear in your file list. Now that your PDF is in Google Drive, you're ready to turn it into something you can edit. Find the PDF you just uploaded. If you have a lot of files, you can use the search bar at the top and type part of the file name to locate it quickly. Once you see the file, move your mouse over it and right-click. This opens a context menu with a number of options. From this menu, hover your mouse over the Open with option. A small side menu will appear. Click on Google Docs. When you select this, Google Drive begins converting your PDF into a Google Docs document. Depending on the size and complexity of the PDF, this might take a few seconds. After that, a new tab will open with the converted document in Google Docs. At this point, your PDF has been turned into an editable document. The text is now live and can be changed like any regular Google Doc. You can click into paragraphs, highlight words, and start typing to correct spelling, update dates, or add new information. If the original PDF had simple formatting, such as basic text and a few headings, it will usually convert quite cleanly. If the PDF was more complex, with columns, lots of images, or unusual fonts, you may notice that the layout looks a bit different or that some elements have shifted. Take a moment to scroll through the document and check the formatting. You can adjust headings, line spacing, and fonts using the toolbar at the top. Images from the PDF may also appear in the document. You can click them to resize, move, or delete them as needed. If something doesn't look right, feel free to rearrange or reformat it just as you would in any Google Doc. Make all the content edits you need until you're happy with the result. Once your changes are complete, you can keep the document in Google Drive as a regular Google Doc for easy sharing and collaboration. If you need it back in PDF format, go to the File menu at the top left, choose Download, and then select PDF document. Google Docs will generate a new PDF with all of your edits and save it to your computer. That's all there is to it. You've taken a PDF, uploaded it to Google Drive, opened it with Google Docs, edited the content, and saved a fresh PDF with your changes.